Hey guys, and welcome to another lesson. In this one, we will discuss the Purge command inside the AutoCAD program. So, what does Purge do inside AutoCAD? The Purge function is used to remove unnecessary or unwanted styles, unwanted blocks, unwanted features, unwanted layers inside AutoCAD to make it just or to lighten the drawing itself. So if you look carefully here, let's say we have layers like this, and we added group of layers, a new layer like this, several new layers that are completely useless. Okay, and let's say we have also for blocks, let's say we have this block circle enter like this, and we added a line enter like this. Okay, and trim, remove this part, enter, line, enter, and select at this point like this, orthogonal, and like this, and enter. Okay, and then hatch like this, and hatch this symbol. Let's say that is representing our socket that we use in electrical drawing. Okay, now let's convert this one into block, for example. Okay, and say power PS or power socket, and pick point like this. Okay, and okay, and then delete this one from here. So first thing that you see here is that we have group of useless layer that we don't have anything inside them. We have a useless block that you even will find when we click on insert like this, and you'll find here our block, right? Okay, however, these layers and this block, I don't use them anymore. So I would like to remove unnecessary or unused objects from my own drawing, because it makes AutoCAD lighter than before. So in order to do this, we use a feature called Purge like this, and enter. You will see that name items not used. So we have items like blocks, like dimension and styles, layers, materials, and etc. So if we selected all items or purge all, what does it will do? It will remove unnecessary or unused items. It makes the AutoCAD much faster and lighter than before. So we have text styles, table style, shapes, blocks, layers, dimension styles, and etc. So if I click on purge all like this, do you would like to purge the block box? Yes, purge all. Okay, like this. Then close like this. Now let's see what will happen. Number one, let's look at layers. You can see the unused layers, unnecessary layers, or unused to be more specific, have been removed. If we look at insert for object, you can see the BS is now not available. You can see you can't even add it anywhere like this. Okay, so that is a benefit of using Purge. Purge helps you to remove unnecessary styles, unnecessary dimensions, unnecessary layers that wasn't used inside our drawing.